We left Fort Pickens at beautiful Pensacola, Florida, and headed north, and before we knew it, we were in Mississippi. We have a long driving day and not much to do today. Tomorrow, we want to stop at Hot Springs National Park and set ourselves up for going to Ron Coleman Mine the day after. Karen has gotten us safely to our very first Cracker Barrel.
We were Cracker Barrel virgins until now. But we're going to spend the night here and then continue our wild journey.
Yes, north.
North.
Where?
Tomorrow.
I think, well, this is good. This is very good. Thank you. Mississippi. Oh, look at that train bridge.
That's where all those trains were going last night.
Yes, that's why we could hear them.
Yeah, that's why we can hear the crunching sounds as they slow down the bridge.
Yep. Old Man River.
There's got a lot of current going down there, really flowing fast.
Yeah. What a great bridge. Transylvania, man. I had no idea it was in Louisiana. Whatever that was. Oh, that's too bad. Maybe a church? Oh, it looks like a school. Elementary school.
Yeah. Looks like it burned.
Yeah.
Oh, that's over.
Chinese and seafood.
We always have odd combinations of restaurants in the South. Like the Coca-Cola Museum with
Dolls.
Coca-Cola and Doll Museum. Open till 10 p.m. Looks like the only place to get breakfast in this town is at the Sonics.
Oh, is it?
Well, big lake here.
Yeah.
Sonic Lake. Oh, that's cool. They have like a walking pier out into the water too. It's
wow.
like a trail. It looks very flooded here though.
Yeah. Look at this little house thing.
Yeah. Have to swim down.
Right now you would. Oh, it's a boat dock, I'll bet.
Yeah, I think you're right.
With part of the dock missing.
I bet you lots of these people over here.
Yeah. Well, this is a nice one with screen and porch.
I like a drawbridge on there.
Did that? But, you know, it is what it is. Yeah. Cypress here.
All Cypress here.
Yeah, look at that house. It's an octagon house. Or house. It's five-sided pentagon house. Lily pad. I would think. I guess they don't really get the ice down here. Yeah.
The Nola Pepper Company. Oh, it's hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Oh, these are pepper fields then.
Fields, yeah.
Yay! Delta Rhythm and Bayou Highway. Are we supposed to sing something like the rhythm and blues while we're on this highway? Yes.
If I know any.
We're on Highway 65, and this is the Mississippi River. And
We're still in Louisiana.
are we in Louisiana? Yeah, I think we are still in Louisiana.
I think that's Louisiana.
big river.
We're both wearing pink today.
We are back at Hot Springs National Park in Hot Springs, Arkansas, and we are parked at the Visitor Center. This is free parking here at the Visitor Center. So we got another great spot, and we're gonna walk down and do another soak in the hot springs. Super excited about this, and we're also going to be stopping at the Visitor Center for the hot springs, and it's raining, but we don't care. We're gonna be
Gotta get our national park stamps.
yes, that's what we're going for. All right, everybody, thanks. And if you haven't seen my hot springs video, I'll link it here.
This one has the date.
Okay. Is that which one's the front? That feels like that's front. Yep. Excellent. Okay, so we are done with the quapaw bath. And how do you feel, Karen? Yes.
Like a nap. Like I just had a really long, relaxing massage followed by a long nap.
Yes, yes. So now we are going to be headed to Cracker Barrel, and we're going to spend the night at Cracker Barrel, and we have a very crystalline activity planned for tomorrow.
Sparkly and shiny.
So stay tuned. I'm going to stop the video right here, and I want you to notice the no through truck sign. Now, Karen's navigation system seems to always pick the shortest route, even when that means going through neighborhoods and over sketchy bridges on one-lane Arkansas mountain roads. Well, it happens often enough, we begin to enjoy where the road is going to be taking us. And today, we meander past some spectacular scenery as we make our way to Highway 7, the shortest route, the most direct route, but not often the fastest route. Gulf Gorge Campground and Picnic Area.
That's tempting. It's cool though.
This is the road you went up with your motorhome?
We had to. This is the way.
All right.
Unless there's another way to get to Ron Coleman. Maybe I would have different. I don't know. I don't remember. I didn't drive. I was like. I don't remember it being this one.
I don't think this is right.
But this is the way it says. You go through this and then.
This is the main highway. I haven't even seen 7 on here. It was never identified as 7. I know. Okay. All right. I know.
And it's beautiful.
And it's gorgeous.
Some of our best things have been
Adventures.
mistakes.
Yeah, it's true. Look at the waterfall. Oh my god. Look at that. If this is the way you came.
I don't think so. I really don't. There was no waterfalls where we came.
I think it's only a waterfall because of
The heavy rain.
heavy rain, yeah.
I don't remember coming through here last year. 7.1 miles.
No, how beautiful is that? Where do we get here? Hot Springs Village. That's
That's where we
direction.
gotta go by. Yep.
Junction 7.
There we
It
go.
was just getting us to Junction 7. That's what was confusing.
Yes.
And we're going 7 north.
Right. Okay, so we got to see a beautiful waterfall.
That was very nice.
Stonebridge Road, by the way.
Now,
Mountain Valley, 11 miles. That's where our Walmart is.
I just saw 55.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
There you are. We have arrived at the Walmart in Mountain View, Arkansas, and we saw the sign for Ron Coleman Mine coming in, but we got a nice level spot here, and there's no place that says no overnight parking, so we're gonna set up camp for the night. And what are we gonna make? Some Italian sausages, or what do we got?
Bratwurst. I think it's bacon
Ooh.
cheddar bratwurst for tonight.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
Yummy.
Okay, so we'll see you in the morning, and we're headed out to Ron Coleman Mine to find some crystals.
Shine.